successful of which was on point 4875, which is now called Batra Top in honor of Captain Vikram Batra. The unit was decorated with 37 gallantry awards. The battalion was also conferred with the title of the bravest of the brave. Ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant General Joshi. Sir. Our next Kargil Honour recipient, ladies and gentlemen, is Air Marshal P.S. Ahluwalia. As the Air Officer Commanding of Air Force Station Gwalior during the Kargil operations, Air Marshal Ahluwalia, then Air Commodore, undertook several trial runs on the Mirages, which were instrumental in the successful use of these aircraft in Kargil's mountainous terrain. I request Mr. Barun Das and the Chief of Defence Staff to present this honour to Air Marshal P.S. Ahluwalia. Thank you, sir. It is indeed an honor for us to have you in our midst today. The next Kargil honor is being conferred on Brigadier Devinder Singh. Brigadier Singh commanded the 70 Infantry Brigade in the Batalik sector during the Kargil War. He led the critical battle for Point 5203 and also the assaults on the Jabbar complex, one of the most difficult campaigns during the war. At one point of time, his 70 Infantry Brigade had 11 battalions under it against the usual 3. Brigadier Devinder Singh, if we could please have you on stage, sir. Other regiments that went on to capture Tololing, Point 5140, Blacktooth, Tiger Hill and Point 4875 in the Dras Mashko Valley from the intruders. During one such operation, Major Dwivedi was at the gunner's position and firing at the enemies when a shell landed right next to him. His arm was hit, shrapnel entered his body, he was bleeding profusely. Yet, he continued firing and directing other guns under his command till his very last breath. Major Dwivedi was killed in action. His wife, Mrs. Bhavna Dwivedi, is here to receive the honor. Their daughter Neha is also here with us. If we could please have the ladies up on stage. round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the family of Major Dwivedi, a true hero who laid down his life while fighting for the country. The Kargil honor in this category is also being conferred on Captain Nike Zakuo Kingaruse. Captain Kingaruse was a junior commander in the Rajputana Rifles and deployed in the Dras sector during the Kargil War. On the 28th of June 1999, Captain Kingaruse was assigned the task to evict Pakistani soldiers holding a machine gun post at Black Rock in the Dras sector and to capture the area. He killed 2 infiltrators with his rifle and eliminated another 2 enemies in a hand-to-hand combat, despite having been shot in the abdomen. Captain Kingaruse made the supreme sacrifice and went on to become the first and only recipient of Mahavir Chakra from the Army Service Corps. His brother, Vokatuli Kingaruse, is here with us. I request him to please come up on stage and accept this honor. The line of duty. Our next set of honors are for some of the doyens of India's defense manufacturing industry. The first Kargil honor in this category is being conferred on Mr. Baba Kalyani, Chairman and Managing Director of Bharat Forge Limited. During the Kargil War, the army was forced to abort certain missions due to heavy casualties. It then decided to deploy Bofors guns to destroy Pakistani outposts at various vantage points. The strategy paid off, but the army realized it would soon run out of ammunition to feed the howitzers. Bharat Forge Group got the emergency order to make 1 lakh shells, and the Kalyani Group's flagship firm, Bharat Forge, took up this challenge. The automotive giant supplied more than 1 lakh shells in a short period of time, and this helped turn the tide in India's favor. And for this, we have presented this honor to Mr. Kalyani. So thank you very much for being here with us.